Over 100 vendors claim to have a SIEM. Most can't deliver. Can your SIEM do this? Open and agnostic security operations. Many SIEMs lock you into closed ecosystems, limiting your tools, feeds, and flexibility. The Exabeam NewScale Security Operations platform is different. Open and agnostic by design. Use pre-built integrations for over 600 data sources. Or bring in your own using the generic API collector. Need threat intel? Connect popular threat intelligence feeds in minutes. For automation, Exabeam NewScale is the first to fully support the Open API standard. With automation management, build, test, version, and deploy cross-vendor workflows fast. No custom code needed. Real intelligence, real security, real fast.